Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. If you are looking for updated deemed university fee structure for NEET PG 2021, this is the video. As on date when I created the video, it is the updated fee structure, and since the date today, as on today, the tuition fee got updated for PIMS Loni and KS Hegde. So I have updated those fee structure, and you can find the tuition fee branch wise, hostel fee and stipend also. And the tuition fee is sorted based on the colleges are sorted based on tuition fee. So lowest tuition fee college is on the top, and highest tuition fee college, let's talk about radio diagnosis. So D.Y. Patil, Navy Mumbai, has got tuition fee of 65 lakhs per year, whereas Kalinga, Bhubaneswar, has got tuition fee of 20 lakhs. So when you go for a seat in deemed university, you have to consider open states also, not just your domicile state or the state where you have passed your MBBS from. You have to look at some open states also, where the college is very good and the tuition fee is also not that high. Usually the tuition fee for deemed universities is on a higher side. So if you are planning to get a seat in deemed university, you must also consider open states like Karnataka, uh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, depending on your preference for states. Rajasthan has got very high tuition fee, but for lower clinical you can consider Rajasthan as well, so that you get a best college in the least possible tuition fee. And then that's called expert counseling. Let's talk about the tuition fee for radio diagnosis. You can see here the minimal tuition fee for radio diagnosis is in Kalinga, then Ramachandra, Chennai, KLE Belgaum, Siddhartha, Tumkur, JSS Mysore, then PIMS Loni, and MGM Navy Mumbai, MGM Aurangabad, KS Hegde. So you see an order of the colleges which has minimum tuition fee, then the tuition fee increasing accordingly in sorting order. For other branches also, if you take dermatology, you see the same colleges in the same sequence. Like Kalinga has the minimum tuition fee of 18, then Ramachandra, and then KLE Belgaum, Mysore, JSS Mysore. And you talk about medicine, still you see the colleges in the same sequence. So I will talk about one particular branch. Let's talk about radio diagnosis, which is the top clinical branch, and the tuition fee is 20 lakhs in Kalinga. Hostel fee is 1.4 lakhs per year. This is yearly hostel fee in lakhs, and stipend is 49 to 53 monthly basis. In second year you get like 2000 extra, in third year you get 2000 extra, then second year. Ramachandra Medical College, which is in Chennai, is also a good college and has less tuition fee, 22 lakhs per year, and hostel fees 2 lakhs per year. Stipend you will be getting around 35, 37 and 40 monthly basis in each year. KLE Belgaum, it is very good college in Karnataka. If you are getting seat, you should gladly accept it, and the tuition fee there is 22.5, and hostel fee is 1 lakhs per year, and the stipend is 30, 35 and 40 in 3 years. JSS Mysore and Siddhartha Tumkur. Siddhartha Tumkur is a college which is located just like 50 kilometers from Bangalore city. Both have got 25 lakhs per year tuition fee. PIMS Loni has got its fee revised, and earlier it was 25, now is 28 lakhs per year. Stipend is 54, 55 and 56. The stipend amount depends, I will tell you the logic of a stipend amount, depends on the state. The particular state has got high, like Delhi has got very high stipend amount. It's around like 80,000 to up to 1 lakh. And you talk about Karnataka, like a state, they have got 30, 35, 40. For deemed university in private, open private colleges, the stipend amount is even lesser, and some of the colleges do not provide a stipend at all. So that's realistic figure, and you should go accordingly. MGM Navy Mumbai has got MGM Navy Mumbai and Aurangabad has got 25 lakhs tuition fee. KS Hegre has got his tuition fee revised, which was earlier 28, now is 29.8. They have got 8 lakhs 8,000 as one time fee that you need to pay in the first year. And then Amrita, Kochi. So these are the colleges in the sorted order, and the highest tuition fee is for DY Patil, Navy Mumbai. That is 65 lakhs. It's huge tuition fee. And the deemed universities in Chennai or Tamil Nadu, SRM Chennai, Meenakshi in Chennai, and Santosh Medical College, which is only one deemed university in Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad. Okay, and Sri Balaji, Chennai. So these are the colleges which are not that good, but their tuition fee is very, very high. So you have to keep such things in mind. And I will tell you one more trick. So this PDF you can download from description. I have provided one link. You can download it from there, and you can also opt for our paid counseling services. You can call us to the number given in the description, and we will guide you how you can get a seat in the good college in least possible tuition fee. For that you need to consider deemed universities, CCAT, NRI seats, as well as management seats in open states. Okay, and which states to consider, and what are their hidden fee, what is security deposit, and whether should you go for that or should not go for it. So those things will tell in detail as part of paid guidance services. When you go for choice filling for deemed universities, so you can maintain the same order, because Kalinga is good deemed university, Ramachandra is good, Keli Belgaum is good deemed university, Siddhartha is also good in deemed university, JSS Mysore. So the university which has got their tuition fee low and they are old, they are really good deemed universities, and you can get good education there, good infrastructure they maintain in the less tuition fee. Similarly, you take a look at any lower clinical branch like ENT. Okay, so there you can see GS Mysore has got 15 lakhs tuition fee, and the stipend amount for Karnataka is 30, 35 and 40. Kalinga has got 18 lakhs tuition fee per annum. And then MM Maulana, which is in Haryana, MM Maulana has one more branch in Himachal Pradesh, and there is only one private college in Himachal Pradesh, that is called MME Solan. There also in poor rank you can get good branches in reasonable tuition fee. BM Patil BLD Bijapur has got 19 lakhs tuition fee. So this PDF is going to be very useful for you, since it has got yearly tuition fee, updated tuition fee, hostel, how much is the hostel fee, stipend amount. So you can calculate accordingly. You can calculate stipend amount for 3 years. You can minus it from your tuition fee, and then you see which is more beneficial for you to get admission into, whether a particular deemed university and which deemed university. You can also calculate if a deemed university is located nearby your native or in your state, and other deemed university you are getting in the similar tuition fee, which is little far from your convenient location. Then you can decide upon it. If you are getting a good amount of stipend in particular deemed university, and the tuition fee is bit higher. Other option, the tuition fee is bit less, but the stipend amount is also less. So you need to calculate accordingly, that ultimately how much amount you are paying from pocket by after managing all the stipend into tuition fee. So that should be the approach. And if you're still not able to get it completely, you can come us for the paid counseling services, and we will help you out. So you can download it from the description. I don't need to explain each and every for each and every branches and for each and every colleges. The sequence is very important, in what sequence you keep in the choice filling. So that's it from our side. If you have any kind of further queries, you can send us message on WhatsApp. You can comment us in the comment section of the video, and we will try our best to reach out to you or resolve your queries. So thanks a lot for your time and have a great day.